Good morning, guys. How are you all? Today it's a rainy summer. Usually on a rainy day I don't do filming because I do rely on natural lighting, and when it's rainy I get the worst lighting. So today's just going to be kind of running errands kind of day. I need to go groceries, and yeah, it's just going to be that, and probably like plan some content, plan like what sort of reels, TikTok videos I have in mind to film. I do need to go post office. I need to do a return, so it's just going to be that kind of day today, just like a boring running errands kind of day. I'm just going to finish drinking my Earl Grey tea and then head out. How my bowl of fruits here just matches with my nails. I'm just gonna get ready. So I'm basically meeting up with the girls today. We're basically going to Primrose Hill Park. So basically going to go Camden town and get some food, and then have a picnic in Primrose Hill Park. So that'll be nice. Like, my face is melting. It's so hot. This is my outfit. Gonna carry my polene bag and my dress. I got this ages ago from, I think, long time ago from Pretty Little Thing. We're having a picnic, so I felt like something flowy, comfortable to sit in. Jewelries. This is my outfit, my nails.
basically, I guess, pollen, art, and
Outfit for today, we're going to a wing festival. And this is my outfit. Denim skirt, gonna wear trainers, my Adidas. And yeah, basically my outfit. So I'm just going to do a voiceover for this. So the Wings Fest took place just outside the Stratford Stadium, and here you can see the map of the traders. As you can see, there's like over 100 traders. So we had quite a lot of wings to get through. Didn't have any breakfast, so we could make the most out of it. We did book the earliest slot at 11 a.m. so luckily we didn't have to queue for most of them. It did get busy later on, so we were so glad that we managed to book the earliest slot. So yeah, we're just trying out all the wings from different regions. It was really nice, it's fun sort of summer experience, and they had a lot of like entertainment there. So yeah, we're just trying out the wings. This one in particular had the longest queue, and it's obviously because of the famous Homer's pink donut wings. You see it all over social, so obviously we jumped on the queue, and honestly it was the least favorite. So yeah, don't be fooled by the queues. And here is my hubby here braving the dunk tank. He's so brave. Like, there were so many people watching, and I guess because it was super hot, it was nice and refreshing for him to get that really cold water dunk. But yeah, it was really fun. He enjoyed it, as you can see. He loved it. But yeah, the overall experience was really fun. We had a good time, and we enjoyed pretty much most of the wings that we tried.